Ma'am, my good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I am R. Srinilan, study in 4th standard. My topic name is modes of transpiration. There are four basic and most popular type of transpiration. They are road, air, and sea and rail transport. Aeroplane or air transport has become the fastest means of transport. Water, and rail transport in are not available in all area. Road transport are ever everywhere. White cars, buses, and most popular transportation has been ever growing. Believed that time in both cities, bananas bring the bad luck. Thank you. Good morning, sir. I am S. Swaran. I am studying in 4th standard. My topic is acid rain. Acid rain refer to acidic precipitation. Prime constituents of acid rain are sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Acid rain also causes by pollution from car other form of transportation. Power plant using fossil fuels are the prime source of acid rain. Uh, natural natural gas like large volcanic eruptions and gaseous it. It damages forests and catches by the extinctions of many species. Thank you. Welcome, sir and ma'am. I am M. Ade, 4th standard. My topic is biodegradable or non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable materials are those substances that are made of organic matter from animals and plants. This includes kitchen waste, like tea leaves, vegetable peels, and other food items. It also includes waste paper and wood item. These are called biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable materials. These are those materials which cannot be broken down easily by nature. For example, metal, thin glass, plastic, etc. They stay in their original form for a very long time. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. My name is Artika, study in 4th standard. My topic is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a way to collect and store rainwater. Later use. Rainwater is collected from root and store is tank or pit. This water can be using from watering plants and many more. Rainwater harvesting help to reuse the use of groundwater. It helps to present dance flooring during heavy rain. Thank you. Welcome. Good afternoon, sir. I am R.K. Varnita, study in 4th standard. My topic is air pollution. Air pollution means polluting the air with dust and another harmful particles. It decreases the quality of air. Air pollution creates difficulty in breathing. Air pollution harmful effects on plants. It affects animals and birds. Burning of fuel also causes air pollution. It causes many health problems to human beings. If you pollute
had today, it will pollute your lungs tomorrow. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I am Mitra. I'm studying in fourth standard. My topic name is solar irrigation. Solar power irrigation uses solar energy to pump water to process. How it works? Solar patterns converting sunlight into electricity. The electricity powers a pump. The pump draws water from a source like a well or steam. The 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 water is a distributor to far fields for the irrigation. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I am R. Akshila, fourth standard. My topic is water cycle. Water cycle is the journey of water. Water cycle known as the hydraulical cycle. Water from water cycle water from water, water from water from lake and river into the air. Thank you.
Good evening, sir and ma'am. I am Manoj, study fourth standard. My topic is benefits of potato. Potato the nutrients, vegetables that contain with, without without fiber and antioxidant that can help with 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 and heart health.
Purification way. Good morning, sir and ma'am. I am Kavishan, fourth standard. My topic is water purification. Water purification make water clean. Big bubbles, small bubbles, coal, cotton, sand. Purification plants clean water for cities. People drink purified water to stay healthy. Help us avoid getting sick. Clean, clean, clean water is important for everyone. Thank you. Karen ma'am, I am Memo Asfaq, study in fourth standard. My topic is puzzles game. Puzzles game focus on a complement which request players to solve a logic. Puzzles are navigate a challenge to programs to the next more difficult challenge depending on the puzzles game type in many involve playing with multiplayer but typically puzzles game or played solo. Thank you.
I am A. Janasti, study in fourth standard. My topic is medicine plant. Aloe vera, Kattralai. Aloe vera is known as the king of medicinal plant. Tulasi is the queen of medicinal plant. Coriander, Kottamalli, used to treat cure urine retention. Neem, Vembu. Eye disorders, bloody nose. Tutti. It is skin irritation, wound healing. Curry leaves, Karuvaipillai. It is help to reduce cholesterol. Promoting hair health. Papaya, Papali. Promoting skin health. Reduce the risk of heart attack. And ma'am, my name is Radhanya. My topic is Thirukural game. தோன்றின் புகழோடு தோன்றாக அத்திலகர் தோன்றலின் தோன்றாமை நன்று அருள் இல்லாருக்கு அவ்வுலகம் இவ்வுலகம் இல்லாக்கு யாங்கு. பொய்யாமை பொய்யாமை ஆற்றின் அரம்பி செய்யாமை செய்யாமை நன்று. செய்யாமை செய்யாமை நன்று. விளக்கும் விளக்கல்ல சான்றோருக்கு பொய்யா விளக்கே விளக்கு. தேங்க்யூ.
I am Vivedes, studying 4th standard. My topic is balloon bird car. A balloon bird car is an example of Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Air is forced out of the end of the balloon, which means there must be an equal and opposite reaction, pushing the car forward. Thank you.
In 4th standard, my topic is raw food and cooked food. Raw food is food that has not been eaten or cooked. Example: fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, fresh, herbs and spicy. Cooked food: boiling, baking, frying, or steaming. Example: cooked rice, grilled chicken, roast vegetable, or boiled pasta. Thank you.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. I am Mohammad Asik for studying 4th standard. My topic name is healthy food and junk food. Healthy food is in nutrients. Nutrients is vegetables, vegetables in is fly in calories and low in nutritional value. Junk food fly in nutrient calories. Sugar and fat and low in sugar. Fiber in nutrients in eat care in finished. Sir, thank you.
Sir and ma'am, I am B and Jivika studying 4th standard. My topic is smoke machine with water pump. A smoke machine with water pump also used to fog machine is a device that creates a dense vapor that looks like smoke or fog. Yeah, thank you. To all, my name is Yastanuska, 4th standard. My topic is benefit of banana tree. Banana tree gives us many things like fruit, vegetable, flower, leaves and etc. It is a medicinal tree. Fruit: banana has high in fiber, which helps with digestion and prevents constipation. Leaves: the large flexible leaf of the banana tree have multiple uses. Flowering: they are using in valiant traditional dishes, salad and curries. Thank you. Look, my name is Sanjana. My standard is 1st standard. My topic name is Palm Bridge. Palm Bridge was a railway bridge that connected the town of Rameswaram on Palm Island with Mandavaram in mainland India. Palm Bridge opened on 24 February 1940. It was India's first sea bridge and was the longest sea bridge in India. Thank you.
Ma'am, I am M. Mohammed Naufal, studying 4th standard. My topic is burning of oxygen. Oxygen is one of the main gases present in the Earth's atmosphere. The amount of oxygen gas present in the atmosphere is 21%. Oxygen is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas. Oxygen is very essential for survival. Almost all organisms need oxygen to survive, but it is only trees and some microbes that can produce that can produce oxygen through photosynthesis. Oxygen is also required for creating energy. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I am S. Hasini, studying 4th standard. My topic is natural farming. Natural farming produce natural product with are chemical free and good for health. Produce yielded from natural nutrients, high quality are full of natural nutrients. Thus, is very good for health as well as environment as it is chemical for or organic. Thank you. I am M. Kanishka, studying in 4th standard. My topic is dye water dispenser experiment. This machine is used as drinking water and can be used without electricity power. How it works? This machine works with the help of air. When we open top of the bottle, in the air goes inside the bottle, the water. Use of making only less than 3 ingredients are needed is can only help poor by making their work more easy. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir and ma'am. I am K. Harshan. My topic is blood circulation. Blood circulation in the human body is the process of blood moving through the heart and blood vessels to carry oxygen and nutrients to the to to carry oxygen and nutrients to the body cells. It also removes waste product like carbon dioxide. Blood comes into the right atrium from the blood moving into right ventricle and is product pushed into article in the lungs. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I am Ruchasti, studying 4th standard. My topic is Aichali grain. A grain is a machine used for Pascal allow and operated by fluid pressure. Grain or completer used in constructing to move heavy materials. Grain are operated by trained workers. Grain are few tons to several hundred tons. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is S. Kevin. My 4th standard. My topic is traffic rules. We should always obey the traffic signals. We never hurry walking on the road. At light means stop. Yellow light means slow down. Green light means start. Never ride at high speed. Wheels helmet, voice, reading to two-wheelers. Thank you.
Sir and ma'am, I am Titka studying in 4th standard. My topic is smart city. The concept of a smart city increases the rate of employment for men and women. The idea of a smart city has increased the energy at a higher rate of usage. The concept of a smart city has increased the investment and estimators and of new indicators. Thank you.
I am A.Y. Asika, studying 4th standard. My topic is windmill. The windmill is used to generate electricity. It converts the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy. All the blades of the all waves rotate in a clockwise direction. The first windmill was designed in the year 1854 by Dahlia Halliday. Thank you.
And ma'am, I am Ardha Balaji. I am studying 4th standard. My topic is green cities. Sustainable transportation. An important part of any city is the way people move through it. Clean energy. Green cities also reduce environmental impact through clean energy, mainly solar power, based solar farms, urban farming, and green parks. Public green space and green infrastructure, recycling and composting programs. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. My name is R. Mohammed Riaz. I am studying is 4th standard. My topic name is Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is India third launched by ISRO on 14th July 2023. Chandrayaan 3 is soft launched on the moon on the 23rd August. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I am KP Bhavna, studying in 4th standard. My topic is function of lungs. The lungs are the primary organ of the respiratory system. A human body has two lungs. Lungs are used for breathing. The right lungs is bigger than the left. The right lungs has 3 lobes. The left lungs has 2 lobes. Lungs are the only organ in the human body that can float on water. The major function of lungs is the major function of lungs gas exchange between on the lungs and the blood. Thank you.